Good morning class. Today we discuss lanthanoids and actinoids. These are called F block elements. Student, F block element consists of two series, lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids involve filling of 4 f orbitals, while the actinoids involve the filling of 5f orbitals. Now let us discuss lanthanoids. The lanthanoid series consists of total number of 14 elements. We can learn the name of element with the help of a technique. It's a Cinderella परी नीली पीली साड़ी में यूं गोल्ड तांबा देती हुई इतराती तुम्हारी याद लुटाते चली गई. आई रिपीट इट अगेन. सिंड्रेला परी नीली पीली साड़ी में यूं गोल्ड तांबा देती हुई इतराती तुम्हारी याद लुटाते चली गई. Student, now let us come on the properties of lanthanoid. Number one is density. Lanthanoids have high density since all of the element of this series belongs to metal. They have a strong metallic bonding between them, therefore have high melting and boiling point. Next one is the ionization enthalpy. Lanthanoids have low ionization enthalpy since all of the element of this series are metals. It should be noted they are colored in solution. Lanthanoid ions are colored in solution due to FF transition of electron, that is promotion of one electron from one f orbital to another f orbital. It should be noted La3 positive and Lu triple positive are colorless due to completely empty and fully filled F subshell. They are paramagnetic in nature due to the presence of unpaired electron. Students, the steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number is said to be lanthanoid contraction. I repeat it again. The steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number on moving from left to right is called lanthanoid contraction. It should be noted lanthanoids generally show +3 principal oxidation state. They exhibit +3 principal oxidation state. Lanthanoids, cerium sulfate are used as oxidizing agent. Cerium oxide is also used for polishing glass. Mish metal. One of the most important question may be asked in board example. What is mish metal? Mish metal consists of 95% lanthanoid and 5% iron is used for making lighter flint and bullet shells. So these are the some uses of lanthanoids, and let us review further. Lanthanoid series involve the filling of 4f subshell. The principal oxidation is +3. Lanthanoid series consists of total number of 14 elements. They have high density and high melting boiling point due to strong metallic bonding in them. They have low ionization enthalpy since all elements of this series are metal. Their ions are colored due to the FF transition. The steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number is said to be lanthanoid contraction. Lanthanoids are widely used. Generally, cerium is used. Cerium sulfate is used as oxidizing agent. Cerium oxide is used for polishing glass. Mish metal, that is consist of 95% lanthanoid and 5% iron, is used for making bullet shell, lighter flints, etc. Now let us discuss actinoid. Actinoid series consists of filling of 5f subshell. There are 14 elements in this series. The learning technique of these elements are Tha, Pa, U, Nepal Police, American Combike, CF, ES, FM, model number LR. I repeat it again. Tha, Pa, U, Nepal Police, American Combike, CF, ES, FM, model number LR. Total number of 14 elements are there in actinoids. They generally show +2, +3, +5, +6, 7 oxidation state, but the most stable oxidation state is +3. Like, since all elements of actinoids are radioactive, they are metals and have high melting and have high melting point. Their ions are colored due to FF transition of electrons. They are paramagnetic in nature due to presence of unpaired electron. The steady decrease in size of M3 positive the steady decrease in The steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number is said to be actinoid contraction. It is similar as that in lanthanoid contraction. Actinoids are widely used in radioactive nuclear reactor as a fuel. Actinoid generally uranium, plutonium are used in nuclear reactor and also in manufacturing of atom bombs. Now let us review further. Actinoid series consist of filling of 5F subshell. All elements of this series are radioactive in nature. Some of them are obtained from nature. So they are also said to be rare earth elements. They show +2, +3, +5, +6, +7 oxidation state, but the most stable is +3 oxidation state. Their ions are colored due to FF transition. They are paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electron. The steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number on moving from left to right is said to be actinoid contraction. Now one question may be asked from this topic is, what is actinoid contraction and what are their consequences? Student, the steady decrease in size of M3 positive ion with increase in atomic number as we move from left to right, from lanthanum to lutetium is called lanthanoid contraction. The three main consequences of lanthanoid contraction are: number one, similarity of properties among the corresponding member of second and third transition series. Number two, lanthanoids have similar property because of lanthanoid contraction. There is a slight variation in their properties which permit of their separation. For example, ion separation methods are used to separate lanthanoids. And number three, their basic character decreases as we move from lanthanum to lutetium. Next question is, actinoid contraction is greater from element to element than lanthanoid contraction. Why? The 5F electron are more effectively shielded from the nuclear charge, or we can say 5F electron themselves provide poor shielding from element to element in the series. Now one most important question may generally ask in both CBSE examination, it is, why are actinoid exhibit larger number of oxidation state than lanthanoid? It is due to because the energy gap between 5F, 6D and 7S subshell is very small. Hence all electrons present in these subshell can participate in bonding. But in actinoid, energy gap between 4F and 5D subshell is large. Therefore all electrons not participate in bonding. Thank you very much.